Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel India Gate. This is Nandini Sharma. In this session of discrete mathematics, we talk about lattices and type of lattice and important questions of the gate with related lattice. So before starting of this lecture, if you doesn't watch my previous lecture means a special element of the POSET, so please firstly watch that video because various elements of the POSIT are used in the lattice. So more clarification and understanding of the lattice concept, you must be view that lecture. Now let's start. A POSIT in which every pair of element has LUB and GLP means least upper bound and greatest lower bound, that is called your lattice. In given example here, a hash diagram have one GLUB, that is your A, and one LUB, that is your least upper bound, that is your F. And same here in the second example where A is your GLB and H is your LUB. So this is your lattice. But in another example, the below hash diagram is not a lattice. Why? Because in the given hash diagram, the element B and C doesn't have any least upper bound, and the element D and E doesn't have any greatest lower bound, so it is your not lattice. Now here is another definition of the lattice basis of the Lipset. So let L be a non-empty set closed under the two binary operation. The operation is meet or join. Here meet is represent your AND operator and join is represent your OR operator. Then L is called lattice if following axioms hold where A, B, C are element in L. So this axioms and law is already done in my previous session, but I again repeat it. So first is your commutative law. So commutative law is like A meet B is equal to B meet A, and it is also say like A join B is equal to B join A, and another is your associative law. So now associative law is defined as in the given parenthesis A meet B meet C equal to A meet in the parenthesis B meet C, and another way using of join operator, here A join B in the parenthesis join with C equal to A join with in the parenthesis B join C. Now come to the next law is your absorption law. So absorption law is defined as A meet in the parenthesis B or A is equal to A, and also we say that A join in the parenthesis A meet B is equal to A. So lattice is sometimes also denoted like L comma meet comma join. So now move on lattice and order. So here given lattice L, we can define a partial order on L as follows. First, A is less than equal to B if A meet B is equal to A, and A less than equal to B if A join B equal to B. Let here important point is that let be a POSET such that least upper bound and greatest lower bound exist from any A, B in a P. Here A meet B is equal to LUB of A comma B means it's equal to your A, and A join B is equal to GLB of A comma B means it is equal to your B. So then poset, meet and join is your lattice. Now move on. What is your sublattice? So sublattice, suppose M is a non-empty set subset of the lattice L. We say M is a sublattice of L if M itself is a lattice with respect to the operation of L, means your meet and join. Now move on. A lattice L is said to be a lower bound is O if for any element x in L we have O is less than equal to x, and another points L is said to have an upper bound I if for any x in L we have x is less than I. So we say that L is bounded if L have both lower bound O and upper bound I. In such way, lattice we have identify means join I is equal to I and A meet I is equal to A. So, and another points are identities are A join O is A and A meet O is equal to O, means your lower bound and your upper bound for any element of A in L in lattice. Now move on another type of the lattice, that is your distributive lattice. So distributive lattice depend on the lattice L is said to be distributive if for any element A, B, C in the L have the following distributive law. First distributive law is your A meet in parenthesis B or C is equal to A meet B or join A meet C, and second is A join B meet C is equal to A join B meet A join C. So this is your two distributive law. Now move on. Complement. What is a complement in the lattice? Let L be a bounded lattice with the lower bound O and upper bound I. Let A be an element of L. An element of X in L is also called complement of A if A join X equal to I and A meet X equal to O. Here is just opposite of the lower bound into the upper bound and upper bound into the lower bound. Now important point that in the bounded distributed lattice complements are unique if they are exist. Complemented lattice. So complemented lattice is very simple, as according to the lattice if L is said to be complemented if L is bounded and every element in L has a complement, means basis of the complement properties. On gate questions of the lattice. So first question is the complement of the element A in the lattice shown in the figure. So we found the complement of A. Now move on solution of this question. So solution of this question is the complement of an element X is X dash if and only if LUB of X and X dash is 1, means greatest element, and GLUB of X and X dash is 0, means your least element. So complement of the element A is your B, C, D, E. Now comes to the second question. Here hash diagram is already given and operator is your less than equal to. So the poset is option A, not lattice. Option B, a lattice but not distributive lattice. Option C, a distributive lattice but not Boolean algebra. And option D, a Boolean algebra. So we come to the solution of this question. Here the poset A, B, C, D, E is less than equal to is a lattice, since every pair of element have the LUB and GLUB, and distributive lattice does not satisfy the following condition. First condition is your this, and second condition is your this. So after the satisfying both these conditions, then we call the distributive law is satisfied, otherwise not satisfied. So after we apply the law on the B, C, D, so we got B and E, which is not equal to each other. So this is not satisfied your lattice. Also element B have two complement C and D, which is not possible in the distributive lattice. Since in our distributive lattice, complement, if it exists, is always unique. Now move on next question. Consider the following hash diagram. The hash diagram is given here 1, 2, 3 and 4. Which of the above represent a lattice? So option A is first and fourth, option B is second and third only, option C third only, option D first, second and fourth only. So your correct answer is your option A, because in the first and fourth lattice it represent your LUB and GLUB, but in second and third here it is not exist uniquely. Now move on next question. Suppose L equal to PQRST is a lattice represented by the following hash diagram. So hash diagram is given here. For any XY belong to L, not is necessary distinct S join Y and X meet Y are join and meet of the XY respectively. Let L cube equal to XYZ such that XYZ is belong to L lattice. Be a set of all ordered triplet of the element of the L. Let PR be a probabilities that an element XYZ is belong to L, Z is belong to L cube. Choose the satisfied X or Y and Z is equal to X or Y and X or Z. And other words, X join in parenthesis Y meet Z is equal to X join Y meet X join Z. There are four options. Option A, PR probability is 0, probability is 1, and option C, probability is greater than 0, less than 1 by 5, and option D, probability greater than 1 by 5 and less than 1. So come to this solution of this question. Here L has 5 elements. So L cube all order triplet of the element of L. So L cube contains 5 into 5 into 5 3 times, means 5 to the power of 3 is 125 elements. If QRST are chosen, then only it will violate the distributive property. Number of way to choosing QRST in a triplet order means 3 factorial. It is equal to your 6, and such that P is satisfying distributive property is equal to 1 minus P is violated distributive properties. Now this is equal to 1 minus 6 upon 5 to power of 3, which is equal to your 0.952, which is between the your 1 by 5 and 1. This is your option D. Means correct answer is your option D. Now this session is ended here. I hope you understand all the points. Thank you for watching.